can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually going to be talking about what items you should hold and resell from Supreme Week 2. I just want to talk about the Nike collaboration, the chairs, and other accessories that did drop for Supreme Week 2. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And also do not forget to subscribe to the channel because you will have a chance to win one of these Profound Aesthetics face masks. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and send me proof on Instagram and you're automatically entered. I will be picking the winner this upcoming week, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. But let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So right now I'm gonna go to StockX and I'm gonna look up some of the items that released this week. I know that the Supreme Nike stuff is actually doing pretty good, and that's something that I do want to talk about because I feel like prices will take a little dip once orders come in, but it'll go right back up as time goes on. I'm gonna start with this Supreme Nike crewneck in the black colorway. I feel like every color is gonna do good. The orange and the black are probably gonna do best in the long run because those were the most sought after colorways. The lowest ask for the black one is actually $240, which isn't that bad since retail was like what, $138 if I'm not mistaken. That's not that bad, bro. That's like $100 extra on top after shipping and all the fees. But you do know that StockX charges you that like 50%, so you're probably better off making like an Instagram selling account and selling it on there to avoid fees. Obviously you could let it go for a little bit cheaper, but you would still end up with more money than selling it on StockX. I feel like these pieces are fire though. The crew necks will go up as time goes on. I could see these going for like $300. I feel like all these pieces are a hold, bro. They're actually doing spectacular off the gate, so I'm assuming that when time passes, bro, and it's like a year or two later, these shits will go for beans, bro. Like, mark my words on that. Next, we do have the reversible anorak. The black one was probably my favorite and the one that I would have gone for had I been able to cop. I feel like this is the best colorway hands down. The reversible on this jacket is honestly impeccable, and I feel like down the line, bro, this shit is gonna go for like $500 easy, bro. The lowest ask right now is like $347, $350, so down the line this shit will be worth beans. I feel like all colors for this jacket were hard because the orange, when you flip it, it turns into a red, and the white one turns into like this baby blue. Both of those are fire. If you're in it for the quick flip, the time to sell it is now. If you're trying to hold it, you can hold it for a year or two and you will make like $100 extra profit than what the prices are now. I feel like the pants low-key are sleepers. Like, people don't normally pick up the pants, so I don't know how I feel about those being a hold. If you do have those and you're gonna keep them for the personal, more power to you. But as far as reselling goes, I honestly don't know how well they will do in the long run. If I were to buy a pair personally, it would be the black ones though. Retail on the pants was $138 and they're reselling for $225. Mind you, online orders haven't shipped yet. I feel like they will sustain a decent price in the aftermarket though, because they were some fire ass pieces low-key. This week we also saw the S logos release, and I know I said that a lot of people aren't going for these anymore and a whole lot of shit. S logos are actually not even doing that bad. They're going for like $200, $220, something like that. It's not that bad, but I feel like down the line these would do like $260, $280, maybe in the best colorways $300. I feel like the navy would do okay, gray will do okay, black one will do alright as well. Some of these colorways will do good in the long run. We also do have the acid green or acid yellow colorway, which normally does good when it comes to Supreme. I don't know how these are gonna do personally, but I feel like these are a potential hold for the future. I feel like regardless, if you sell them now, StockX is gonna take most of your money anyway, so you're better off holding the items and just seeing where they go, because they won't go down in price. They'll only go up because the demand remains, and then the product becomes more scarce as time goes on. There's not gonna be new pieces and you'll be the one having the new one to sell. Another piece that I feel like might have some potential, and I didn't even notice this one, I think by the time I filmed my drop list this one hadn't dropped yet, was the Blimp mesh hat. It kind of reminds me of like these older Supreme hats that used to come out, and it's actually not doing that bad as far as resale goes. I think retail was like $42 and it's going for $80 to $100 right now, which isn't that bad, bro. The blue colorway is going for $100 right now. That's actually a money maker. I didn't even notice this hat. It's actually pretty cool, but I I don't know if I would have gone for it regardless, to be honest with you. I feel like this isn't a bad hat. The black one is going for 88, the blue one for 100, the orange one is 90. Like, these are actually doing good numbers. The purple one is going for $101. These aren't doing that bad. I feel like the reason they're doing good is because of the Scarface Blimp tee. I know I'm only talking about the most typed items, so if there are any items that I didn't cover, you can shoot me a DM and I'll let you know how I feel about it. But obviously it's just my opinion. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the last item that I have on my list, and it is the foldable chair. Low-key, I'm gonna go ahead and buy this chair. One thing that is kind of a letdown is that I saw some pictures of it in hand, and it's like an orange color for the red one. It's not even red, bro. It's a bright ass orange, like a burnt orange, and honestly that turns me off when it comes to that one. I feel like if I was to pick one up, I would probably go for the black chair because it's like a matte black on it, and I really am a fan of it. But as far as resale goes, the orange one or the red one, whatever you want to say, is going for $115. After fees, that's like $96, which isn't that bad, bro. You're doubling your money. But just think about it like this: if it's going for that much now, how much will it go for in the future? Obviously, if you're in it for the long run, you might as well hold this item, because this is one of those that people are gonna look back and be like, damn, I remember that chair. That's typically why I like to buy the Supreme chairs, because it's something that in the future you won't see. It doesn't cost that much at first, but in the long run it'll end up doing good. It's going for 100 now. I feel like in the future it'll go for 150, 200 easy, bro. I'm a huge fan of this chair. I'm honestly trying to go for the black one. I know I took a L online, but I'm honestly trying to figure out a way to get this shit. It is what it is. I'm gonna try to find a way to pick up the chair because it is a solid piece, bro. But you could easily make $30 to $40 now. I just feel like $30 to $40 isn't much compared to $100 if you sell it in the future. The way I look at Supreme is kind of like stocks. You buy this piece, the stock is low. When some time passes, the stock rises. You gotta know when it's gonna plateau. Like, if you're checking a price on something you want to sell and it's been there for like 4 months, 5 months, and it's not going up anymore, that's probably the peak price for that item. So that's when I honestly would go ahead and sell it. But that pretty much does it for all the Supreme items that I wanted to cover in this video. There's another pair of sneakers and a pair of slides that I want to say are gonna have resale, and they'll be worth it in the long run as well. I know I preach to hold these items, but trust me, bro, you can get much more if you do so. We saw those brown, lime green, pink, orange Jordans come out today, the Jordan 1s. Those are gonna go hard in the future, bro. Like, when spring, summer hits next year, these are gonna be sought after, and we already know what happens to Jordans, bro. Every Jordan behind me went up in price like crazy. These tripled in price, these tripled in price. These haven't done it yet. I don't even want to talk about these three. And these core purples are gonna go up as well, bro. Trust me when I tell you, hold the Jordan 1s, bro. Like, if you're trying to make good money, just hold them. These were bricks at first, going for like maybe $210, $230 at most. These bitches are going for like $500. These are going for $240. These are going for almost $500. Like, all these sneakers will end up going up. Just trust me, Jordan 1s are in hot demand. So if you were able to cook up a pair, you won't regret holding it, bro. I've sold a lot of Jordan 1s quick, and I've regretted that shit so much. I had the blue chill Jordan 1s, the women exclusive ones, and I sold them for $300 or some shit like that, bro. They're going for over $500 right now. Like, what the f? That's crazy, bro. Like, honestly, really wish I would have kept those, but I let them go. That's why I'm trying to let you guys know to hold these shits. If you buy Jordan 1s, just hold them, bro. Just don't even think about selling it unless you really need money. Don't do it. The last item I'm gonna talk about is these Yeezy slides. A lot of people don't like these jail slippers. Low-key, I was trying to cop a pair this morning to see how they look on my feet, but I don't know how I feel about them. I know that resale will be $100 plus on these bitches. Retail is low, so there's a lot of margin to be made. I feel like these will go for like $150, and I'm telling you, bro, if he doesn't start flooding the market with these shits, they will go up to like 200 beans, which is crazy considering that retail is 55. That pretty much does it for this video. If y'all did enjoy, go ahead and slap a fat like on this one. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click on post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And don't forget to enter the Profile Aesthetics mask giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video, and send me proof on my Instagram, and I will go ahead and choose 3 winners this upcoming week. Also, if you guys do enjoy this giveaway. I will let them know to send me more masks to give away to you guys. But that pretty much does it for this one. Slap a like, subscribe, let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make in the comments below. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make a feel.